Hi everyone! If you're new, hi, my name is Sue, and if you're returning, welcome back. So, this is part 9 of my summer Europe trip. I did it back in May 2018 with my sister. In this video, we are in Brugge, Belgium. This is our second city in Belgium, and we were able to explore the Groot Market, which has the best strawberries I've ever had in my entire life. And we were able to go on a free walking tour to explore the city. And although we had to cut it short so that we can go to Brussels, Belgium, I really had an amazing time exploring Bruges and meeting our Airbnb host in Brussels. He was the absolute sweetest. I highly recommend him. He introduced us to his city, showed us the great places to drink, grab dinner, and even gave us a little mini tour of his town. So, like always, I put the descriptions down in the description box below. If you like what you see, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, or even want to say hi, feel free to do so. And like always, make sure you subscribe and share the word to all your traveler friends. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye! What a cute Airbnb. Super cute, super cute. Here we are at Antwerp Central Station. It was voted the most beautiful station in the world. We'll see what they're talking about. Albert, we are getting waffles. Wee. Dang, guys, look at this. Wow. With my waffle. I'm just so in love with this structure. Now we're on our way to Brugge, our second city in Belgium. And we arrived in Brugge. We just put our luggage away, and now we're heading to just the center of the city and get ready for our tour. This town became very old style. Very cute, very cute. And then this is the center of Bruges. So pretty. She bought something from Zara, so she's happy. And we are in the center. Wow. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, guys. These strawberries smell so good. Oh my gosh, they're selling meat here. These strawberries are delicious, like the best strawberries I've ever tried. It's so like sweet, and it's so good. What a beautiful day. Oh, look at that. It like literally melted off the moment I touched your mouth. He's feeding that paper in, and it makes music. Wow. And when we go right next door is this place. Wow. Waffles on a stick. But this one's gold, guys. It's gold. So we couldn't find course, so we're doing this one.
Not with the tower, the tower came a little bit late. After spread building is the first training home in Peter Market. Because I needed a picture with me to explain you that beer and mythology are very close together.
Guys, look at all the smoke.
But that's the pipelines with beer. A lot of pub owners found it such a fantastic idea and they paid a lot of crowdfunding to have that on more trips in the
Alright, so we had to leave the tour a bit early. In my opinion, it was very boring. I think it just really depends on your tour guide. But now we are going to Brussels. Alright, we arrived. We got our 24-hour card so that we don't have to do as much walking. And yeah, about to check into our Airbnb. So we arrived and our Airbnb host treated us to beer and is teaching us about architecture because he's an architect. Look at the park, guys. And our friend Brugge here. So we got a table and we're trying like a classic Belgian beer. It's called Galelier, G-A-G-E-L-E-E-R. It's so different from any beer that you can try in America. I also tried the Zinni beer like next door. And that was like your classic light beer. But this one like different taste. I came in. Apparently it's made out of grass. Excited for food, although we paid €6 freaking for water. So this is called Carbonadas Flamadas. It's that one. And then she got the Pan de Viana Povete. How is it? Yeah, authentic Belgian food.